Yes, children, I once again welcome you to the class. Okay, fine. So, we have seen about digestion process in human beings and then digestion process in grass eating animals, right? Okay. So, we have completed up to this, right? What is this? Caecum. What is this? Caecum. It must be pronounced as caecum. It is nothing but it is an intermediate, that is it is a junction. Yes, we have junction, right? That means what? Meeting point. So this caecum is the meeting point of both, joining point of the intestine and the stomach. This caecum is nothing but the joining point, that is the meeting point of both stomach and intestine, right? Up to this we have completed. Okay, fine. Now next we are going to see about the nutrition in amoeba. Okay, amoeba. What is mean by this amoeba? They are microscopic organism. That is, they are very small. We cannot see it with our naked eyes. So we need microscope to see like this small organisms. So this amoeba is a single cell organisms. That is, they have only one cell. But human beings have many cells. Yes, human beings have many cells. These cells are combined to form tissues. The cells are already in the, I think that in the previous class I have shown you what is that, bricks on one side and then cells. The cells are combined to form tissues and the bricks are combined to form wall, right? So likewise, but in this single cell organ they have only one cell. That one cell is responsible for all the process like ingestion, that is the process of digestion, respiration, reproduction. For everything, all the actions are controlled only by the one cell. Yes, but in case of human beings, we have many organs, right? So many cells are combined to form tissues. The tissues are combined to form different organs. For digestion, we have separate part. Yes. For respiration, we have different. Yes. And for reproduction, different parts. Yes or no? Yes. So we are multicellular organisms. But amoeba is a single cell organism. So one is responsible for everything. And here also the mode of taking in nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Yes, that process is named as, that is the mode of nutrition in amoeba. The mode of nutrition in human is also holozoic. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is also holozoic. Okay, but the process of obtaining food by amoeba, see, that is mode of nutrition, right? But here the process of obtaining food by amoeba is phagocytosis. The process of obtaining food by amoeba is called as phagocytosis. Just repeat it once. Phagocytosis. Okay. Then, so as like in human beings, this amoeba also has different steps which are involved in the digestion process. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and then egestion, right? Ingestion in human beings is done by mouth. Yes, but in this amoeba, the ingestion is taken by a finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, here P is silent, right? So you need to tell only pseudopodia. Okay, that is false feet. False feet. I will show you the pictures in the next slide. So the food is digested with the help of food vacuole. The food is digested with the help of food vacuole and then absorption. Digested food is absorbed. Assimilation, that is that absorbed food is used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. That is, one amoeba can develop into 2 to 4 likewise. And then egestion, the undigested food is expelled out. Ingestion, it is done by a finger-like projection called pseudopodia. But in human being it is villi, right? It is present in the small intestine. Don't get confused, okay? In human beings, villi. But in amoeba, it is helps in taking in food, not in digestion. So it is called pseudopodia or false feet. So the digested food is digested. The food which is taken in is digested by food vacuole. But in human beings, various parts are involved, right? Like stomach, mouth, and then intestine. And then here absorption. The digested food is absorbed. Then assimilation. The absorbed food is used for growth and maintenance. And then egestion. The undigested food is sent out. Now we are going to see a pictorial explanation of this amoeba. See, this is amoeba. It is nucleus which is present. This nucleus controls all the activities of amoeba. So, it acts as the brain there. Clear? So, it is a food particle is present. The amoeba does not has any definite shape. It is irregular in shape. It does not has any definite shape. So, the food particle is present here. So, see, here the finger-like projection comes out, right? That finger-like projection is called as pseudopodia. Yes, this finger-like projection is called as pseudopodia. So, this finger-like projection, what it does? It closes the food and it sends it into the body. Yes, see here, first step is taking in food, that is ingestion. Food is there, it gives its finger-like projection output and closes the food. Okay? This is ingestion and then digestion. See here, that food is sent into the body and with the help of what is that? Food vacuole. See here, this is the food. Surrounding is there is a vacuole, right? So this helps in the digestion of food. See here, the food is here. The full amount of food is present. That is completely it is there. Here the digestion process takes place. See, step by step it is digested and it went out. Yes, here there is a maximum number. Here there is, see this red color one. Red colored one. Yes, so the food is digested here. Okay, so first step is ingestion. The second step is digestion. And here this absorbed food is, what happened? It is absorbed. And then fourth step is what? Assimilated. So the absorbed food is given up to the other body for the other purpose, like what? Maintenance of body, growth, etc. And then the waste thing are expelled out. Waste thing is expelled out. See, here it is absorbed. That is, it is ingested. That is taken in the food. Here the digestion process occurs. Here the digested food is absorbed. The absorption process takes place here. Yes, and then it is assimilated. Assimilated means it is taken down by the body for various purposes. And then next, the waste things are ejected out. That is, the undigested food are sent out. Whether you are able to understand this process? Yes, it is very simple, right? As it is in human beings. But here only one part. Yes, two parts, that is pseudopodia and food vacuole. So it is easy for you to remember. Yes, in amoeba, the same 5-step process takes place, but the parts finger-like projection pseudopodia and then digestion food vacuole. Okay, so it is easy to remember this for you. And then next one. So, what is the difference between nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human beings? Tell me the similarity between the both. What is the similarity between nutrition in amoeba and nutrition in human beings? Yes? Yes? Good. So, both human being and amoeba take, that is food for getting energy. So, that is the similarity between both, right? They need food to what? Get energy. So, what is the difference between them? As I said you, digestion in human beings have complex digestive system. Yes, like mouth, stomach, intestine, etc. But in amoeba, mouth and digestive system are absent. Is there mouth in amoeba? No. Is there any digestive systems? No. So, humans have mouth and complex digestive system, but amoeba, the mouth and digestive system are absent. Okay. And then digestion in humans, various juices are secreted. Yes, digestive juices are secreted in buccal cavity, in stomach and also in small intestine. But in amoeba there is no digestive juices, is secreted only by the food vacuole. Yes, in amoeba digestive juices are secreted only in the food vacuole. Yes, what is that food vacuole? See, this is called as food vacuole. Okay, but human beings have many things, that is the buccal cavity, stomach. To stomach, where does it comes? It comes from liver and pancreas, and then small intestine, intestinal juices, pancreatic juices, everything is secreted here. And then the third point is digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fats starts in separate region. Yes, for example, fats are, see, carbohydrates are digested by what? Carbohydrates are digested by bile. Yes, and fats are digested by, yes, intestinal juices, right? So here the digestion takes a different regions, but here all the food components are digested in food vacuole. All the food components are digested in food vacuole, only one part, but here different juices are involved, right? Carbohydrate, digestion of carbohydrates, proteins and fat. For each of this digestion, each separate, for carbohydrate, separate part is involved for digestion, protein separate, fat also separate. Later carbohydrates are converted into glucose, proteins to amino acid, fats to fatty acids. Okay, now what is the thing which we have seen from this last class? Yes, about nutrition in animals. We have seen about nutrition in human beings, nutrition in grass eating animals, and then nutrition in amoeba. Okay, now just try to say this answer for these questions. Okay, why we should not talk while eating? Why we should not talk while eating? Yes, louder. Okay, good. Because the food may enters into the windpipe. Good. Herbivores eat and digest grass completely, but why humans cannot completely digest it? Now only I thought you right. Yes, because they have a bacteria inside their rumen, but that bacteria is not present in humans. And then which organ produce bile juice? Very easy to you, right? Which organ produce bile juice? That is liver. Okay, the length of small intestine and large intestine. What is the length of small intestine and large intestine? Yes, small intestine is about 7.5 and large intestine is 1.5. Yes, okay, tell me one more answer. Where these bile juices are stored? Yes, gallbladder. Good. So these bile juices are stored in gallbladder. And then grass eating animals store grass in their stomach in a separate part called as, what is that? In a separate part called as, yes, rumen. Good. What is that? Rumen. R-U-M-E-N. And then, so what is the process which takes place there in that animals? What is the process? Rumination. And then these types of animals are called as ruminants. Rumen, that is the separate stomach, and then rumination, taking that food in small lumps and again digesting it. That process is called as rumination. And then these types of animals are called as ruminants. And then name the main steps of nutrition in human. What are the steps? Yes, I'll do only action. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and then egestion. Good. Okay. The undigested food are removed through, not stored, or removed through, yes, anus, and stored in rectum. Okay. Amoeba takes food through their mouth, right? Yes. Amoeba takes their food through pseudopodia. Okay, children, the homework will be sent you through WhatsApp. Okay.